Studio Tropolite presents how to make baked cheesecake with Tropolite cream cheese. A good baked cheesecake is a thing of beauty, but to get it right, you need the right cream cheese. One that doesn't split, collapse, or taste synthetic. Tropolite cream cheese is naturally cultured, rich, and firm, which means it blends smoothly and holds shape. Let's make a classic baked cheesecake. But first, let's create a base. Crush 125 grams of digestive cookies and add 60 grams of melted butter and press it into a tin. Now for the filling. 300 grams Tropolite cream cheese, 90 grams sugar. Whisk everything until smooth and lump-free. Pour the filling on top of the base. Tap to remove bubbles and bake in a water bath. Slow and steady 150 degrees for about 60 minutes. Once done, chill completely, ideally overnight. Decorate with fruits, compote, or keep it minimal. The texture speaks for itself. Tropolite cream cheese makes it easy, firm, flavorful, and fuss-free, so you can focus on the magic, not the mess. Tropolite cream cheese, naturally cultured, chef-approved. Contact your Tropolite distributor today.